Dolores Morota, a 75-year-old widow, slowly entered a gas station, leaning on her cane. She carefully handed the cashier $3 in change, just enough for a small amount of gas. With great effort, she made her way back to her car, unaware that someone was watching with compassion. As she reached her vehicle, Dolores felt a gentle tap on her shoulder. Turning around, she was surprised to see a uniformed police officer. He kindly asked her to sit in her car, offering to pump the gas for her. But then, the officer did something unexpected. He turned and walked back into the station. Moments later, the officer returned to the pump, but this time with a generous surprise. He had paid an additional $20 from his own wallet to help fill her tank. The officer had learned that Dolores had recently lost her husband and was struggling financially. Moved by her situation, he wanted to help however he could. This simple act of kindness didn't go unnoticed. The gas station's security camera captured the moment, and soon the story went viral online. Inspired by the officer's compassion, people across the country rallied behind Dolores, donating over $13,000 to support her during her time of need. This touching story proves that even the smallest gesture can create a ripple of kindness. One thoughtful act changed a woman's day and her life. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tap the bell icon so you never miss more uplifting real-life stories that restore your faith in humanity.